Hello and welcome to HD Revit. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to model this simple house step by step in Revit. And how are we going to do that? I'm going to show you some steps and then I will leave you with some exercises so that you might practice what you come to learn right now. Now the next step is going to be the placement of the roof. I'm going to go to level 2 flow and I will go to underlay and I will switch on the base length to level 1 and I will be able to see what is beneath. Okay, so because this roof is going to be a simple roof, flat roof, it is going to be simple. I'm going to go to roof here, roof by footprint, and then I will choose this basic generic wall 125 millimeters. Click on that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pick a rectangular method because it is very simple, straightforward, and I'll go all the way to this wall here. I do not really need to cover all this wall. I might be somewhere in here, and I'm going to use the align tool and I'm going to pick this line here to that point, and that's actually it. So I'm going to finish this one here and it will look it like that. When I go to 3D, now you can see that most of the walls are going to be above the roof. Now I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to go to edit footprint and I will pick this edge here and I will say define slope, and I'm going to put a slope of 5 degrees and then hit finish. I can see that this slope is in the wrong direction. Now what I am going to do, what I can do, I can just go back and then I click this one and I will uncheck define slope, and then I will pick this one and say define slope and I will put 5 degrees, hit finish, and it will look like this. This is what is going to happen. Now with this position, I do not really want to put a very long height. When I go to the elevations, I'm going to see what are the heights. I'm going to VG and then I go to annotations and then I will select that. I can see that the levels here are 3.5, so it means I'm going to leave it like that. Now what I'm going to do is to pick these walls, remaining walls here, select all of them, especially the exterior walls, and what am I going to do? I'm going to pick them all and I'm going to go to attach to base, and then I'll pick this one here, and all the walls are going to be attached to this roof. As you can see, there are some challenges in here. I'm going to do this again, attach to the wall. Okay, and I will pick this one, these two, and I will do the same trick, and it actually looks like this. Okay, so I'd like to put a little bit of roof projection. I don't think there is any problem with that. Okay, attach to roof, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to level 1 again. I'm going to select this and I'm going to put some roof extension. I'm going to put 50. So this one I'm going to put something like 170, and that is the roof projection that I really need. And there is also similar thing here. I'm going to put 50. That's it. And similar to this one, I'm going to put 50, and that's it. Now hit OK, and I'll finish this one, and now you have a very nice roof extensions. Now I don't want any roof on this side here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to vertical opening, and then I will go and I will pick the roof. To do it correctly, I'm going to go to level 2, and I'm going to pick this. I'm going to use the rectangular method, and I'm going to pick this one here. Okay, so and then I'll hit finish. When I do that and go to 3D, you can see that there is no longer a roof on this side. Now after that, okay, now as part of your exercise about the roof, you are going to place a small roof in this position. First of all, you are going to go to the level 2 and place a 120 centimeters wall on this position, and then you place a roof that is going to have a slope on this side here. Okay, let's now go and correct the exercise. I'm going to level 2, and then I'm going to first of all place this wall here. I'm going to go to architecture, then wall, cancel for now, I don't need it. And then this wall here, I'm going to make it unconnected, and I'm going to make it 120 centimeters height. And now I'm going to pick the center here, the center of this wall, all the way to the center of this wall. It doesn't really have to be the center, and that's actually it. Okay, so let us extend this one a little bit further to that point. Okay, now let's preview it in 3D and see what we have done. And now what we can do, we can go to modify, then I am going to use trim and extend to corner. Now picking this and that, now we have a clean corners. Okay, now let's go on and create this small roof. I'm going to level 2, and then I'm going to roof, just to architecture, and then to roof. I'm going to pick rectangular method, and I'm going to put 10 centimeters as an offset. And what will I do? I will pick this corner all the way to this corner. That is great, and I will do hit OK to finish this one. When you go in the 3D, you can now see that the roof is not at the right height. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to first of all put this one at 120, and I selected this one. I'm going to go to edit footprint, and then I'm going to use this and put a slope, and I'm going to put 5, hit enter, hit OK to finish that one. I will not offset this one. Okay, this one is in a wrong position. I'm going to do this again. What I can do, I can pick this one and make it minus. It will serve the same purpose. Okay, don't attach, and now you see we have the roof on that position.